everyone.
I'm Evie,
And I'm Sophia.
and this is ESCHeartbeats.
Today we will react to Luxembourg's Eurovision entry for 2026.
Yeah. We are reacting to Eva and her song Mother Nature.
Yes, so Eva won the Luxembourg national final, which took place late in January. And she came first both from public and jury votes.
Yeah. She's really young. She's 20 years old. She's still a student. And
Yeah, she studies music in London, I think.
London. Yeah.
Yeah. And she's also a violinist. And she said that the inspiration behind her violin is Alexander Rybak.
Oh, okay. So she's a Eurovision fan.
Yeah, you see how Eurovision inspires you.
Yeah, that's all we know about her.
Yeah, last year it was Laura Thorne for Luxembourg.
Mhm.
And yeah, we have another female artist. And how we react?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. Ooh,
Like the stage.
Luxembourg always they do grand staging for their national final. It's very ethereal.
And even when there's thunder, I go back when I wonder, who am I? From the ground to my skin.
You know what it reminds me? Flores in the Machine vibes.
No. Wait.
That's a song, isn't it? Actually, there were some issues with Luxembourg about copyright.
Yeah.
It definitely reminds me of something.
Don't remember the name.
It's very Capitan's for Mother Nature. I can see it on the stage.
Yeah.
Like, wow, look at the ceiling. And I like her voice as well.
Which part?
This part reminds me of Flores and the Machine.
I don't know if it's Lauren. But it reminds me of something.
This part.
Yes.
Mother Nature, she knows. Here comes the violin. Where was it before? Wow.
Okay.
Oh, for some reason I got goosebumps.
Yeah, it's good.
I'm just so happy. Ooh, what was that? A crystal.
Probably. Okay, I need to know what kind of song reminds us of. Yes. Wait, it's too similar. Similar. That's why. Yeah, this is what it reminds us.
Definitely, when I heard it, that's the song it reminded me.
Yes, I couldn't remember it was Birdie. Ooh, okay. But I think that the copyright issues have been cleared.
They've been cleared.
So
I mean,
fine.
it's just a bit.
Yeah.
And it's a lovely song. I really enjoyed it, actually.
Yeah, it's a great song. It's just a majority of the time I was trying to think what song it reminds me of.
Yeah, which is not
It's not a good
ideal.
sign.
No, I have to say what I really enjoyed of this performance was her energy.
Yeah,
Yeah,
she was very
she was
happy.
happy,
Yeah.
but it was a genuine happy.
Mm,
Like here I am with my violin, barefoot.
yeah.
I really liked the energy she gave, and yeah, she gave me also a bit of a only teardrops vibes.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, it being a song being reminding you some other song is not necessarily a bad thing. I mean, Heroes was also
yeah,
had a lot of issues about how it sounded the same as other songs, but well, it won. So
and even with tattoo in the beginning, they said yeah,
those issues have been around every year. I feel like this one was a bit too close. That's why everyone was like, "Wait."
yeah, because it was this high notes that are very
Mm.
specific. But
Yeah, and you don't really hear this kind of song often.
no, but apart from that
Yeah,
similarity, I enjoyed it.
same. I enjoy the song. I enjoy the performance. I enjoy seeing her like singing her.
And playing her violin and
Yes.
walking around. It was just lovely, and I
Yeah.
think it will do well in Eurovision.
Yeah, same. I think it will do well. It will. I feel like it's going to qualify.
I feel so. Luxembourg has been qualifying for since their return.
Yeah, this is the third year.
This is the third year of their return. So, yeah. What do you think of that song? Did you get the similarity uh, moment? Let's know.
Mhm. Okay, and you'll find all of our socials in the description below. We have Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, and a website full of lovely articles.
And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, please.
Yes, and we'll see you to the next one.
Bye.